As far as me see people, she not try use me like a career, bust other people and bust herself. She as far as to start the foolishness from the beginning, where they going at the beginning, she start at them thing there. She start take people money. She not do whole for scamming right now in the last half. Not because me and her in our vibes, not all those things. She start take people money. I know say certain place me can't go and still take the people them money. She not book no show for me. I don't want she book no more show for me. She not the bookings with me over a long time. She not book no show for me. She worse than every day. Worse than every day. She not try use me like money to bust other artists. You see me? Buy all the things them and put in the house, she start sell up at the computer, them and sell up at everything, start move them go other man yard and all them those things. You see me? People can see it in the street. Over 3 months now me and chilling at them. And me alone in the street right now, people. Me alone, but the foreign myself alone of money come get you. Crazy money me send come here. About my things and buy up my things. She buy everything in her name. Wish she have to buy them in her name because they are foreign. You see me? They send out my money. She not have no money for buy nothing. All of my money. Mash up all the car a little while. I try to go through a lock gate. Yeah, run down for police. Go on for police. Car can't drive from one way. Have to drive from 4. Too tight story that. Let me tell you. And the police can't make chingo move out nothing out of my house. Straight. She locked me out of my house for days. And gone all about with man. Montego Bay, Rochi, Portland, all those places. With man, me and Chin plan to do a show down at Portland. Chin wait till me spend up the whole of my part of money. And do party things. Chin run and back me out and put in some Barbican boy night. So you hear me? Right now, me and nobody not war, you know. But me I tell them say, you know, my thing nah go say, you know. Straight up me I tell them straight. My thing nah go so. Chin your career nah go nowhere, Chin. Chin you feel so rich, but you're not rich. You have learned from it to go on it. Got me I tell you straight up. Yeah, people that want me from you, the whole media want me from you in the Chin, but me never hear. You can't hear, feel. Yeah. Gully Bop people been wanting me.